Banana combs tend to come in length ranging from 3.5 inches to 6 inches. The smallest combs are often referred to as mini banana combs and may work well if you plan to use it on a smaller section of hair. These mini combs may also be a better choice for a child because of the small size. The size of your head and thickness of your hair should dictate the length of comb you buy. The width of a comb is another important consideration. A traditional banana comb is usually about 1 inch in width, but other varieties could be much wider. Flat banana combs could be up to 2 inches wide. If you have very thick hair, a wider comb could be a better option because there's more space inside the comb. These combs come in 2 basic types, the traditional banana comb and the fish clip. A traditional banana comb has thin and straight sides, but a fish clip is flat and the sides can be much wider. If you want more of the comb to be visible, you should opt for a fish clip because the wider sides lie flat against the head. A banana comb comes with one of 2 types of fasteners. The first works like a ball and joint in which one arm of the comb has a protruding ball that fits into a hole on the other arm. These 2 ends click together to close the comb. If you have thick hair, you may find that this type of fastener can pop open easily, so another type of fastener might be more useful. Some banana combs have fasteners on both ends, though others have a hinge on one end and a fastener at the other. Fish combs usually have the second type of fastener, in which the 2 ends of the comb curve in opposite directions. When overlapped and hooked into each other, the curves are pushed against each other, which keeps the comb from opening up on its own. This type of fastener usually won't pop open unless the ends are unhooked manually. Both traditional banana combs and fish combs have teeth inside the comb to help hold onto the hair. When you buy a banana comb, check that the comb will be able to hold your hair. The number of teeth and the space between the edges of the comb will vary, but if you need a tighter grip, it's generally better to go for a comb with more teeth. The combs are made in a number of colors, so choose a comb that will go with whatever you plan to wear it with. Colors range from soft pastels to bright neon colors. There are also torch banana combs, so if you prefer a more natural look, you may want to get one of those. There are also a number of finishes to choose from, and you may have to choose between combs with gems, glitter, and various textures. Most banana combs are made from plain plastic as well, so you should choose a comb in keeping with your own tastes and the occasion you'll wear it for. The best banana comb is ultimately one that will hold your hair in place and go well with a few items in your wardrobe.